Do you dream of picking fresh fruits right from your own backyard or balcony? Whether you live in a hot tropical zone, a cold region, or somewhere in between today, I'll show you how to grow fruit trees easily at home, no matter your climate. Stay with me till the end. You'll discover which fruit trees grow best in your area and the secret to making them thrive. Before choosing a fruit tree, you must understand your local climate. Each plant has its comfort zone. If you're in a tropical region, warm and humid, you'll do great with mangoes, papayas, bananas, and guavas. If you're in a temperate climate like most of the US or Europe, think apples, peaches, plums, or pears. For dry or desert climates, go for figs, pomegranates, or dates. They love the sun and need little water. And in colder regions, try hardy options like cherries, apples, or even certain varieties of pears that can tolerate frost. Comment below your country or state. I'll help you pick the best fruit tree for your climate. Even if you don't have land, you can still grow fruit trees right on your balcony or rooftop. Let's look at the easiest ones. Lemon trees. Small, fragrant, great for pots. Love sunlight and moderate watering. Fig trees. Thrive in containers, easy to prune, produce sweet fruits. Guava trees. Hardy, tropical fruit. Fast growth even in medium pots. Dwarf apple trees. Ideal for colder climates. Choose columnar varieties. Banana plants. Perfect for tropical balconies. Use large containers in compost-rich soil. Use well-draining soil and prune regularly to keep the size manageable. Now I will discuss backyard fruit trees for different climates. For warm climates, mango, avocado, jackfruit, lychee, regular watering and protection from strong wind. For temperate climates, apple, peach, plum, cherry. Prune in winter. Ensure full sunlight, 6-8 hours, day. For dry climates, fig, olive, date palm, pomegranate. Deep but infrequent watering. Mulch to retain soil moisture. For cold regions, Canada, Northern Europe, apple honeycrisp, gala, pear bartlett, and sour cherry. Wrap young trees in winter and choose frost-tolerant rootstocks. Caring for your fruit trees. Growing trees is easy. Keeping them healthy is the real art. Sunlight, 6-8 hours daily for most fruit trees. Watering. Deep watering 2-3 times a week. Avoid daily light watering. Fertilizing. Use organic compost or slow-release fertilizer every 2-3 months. Pruning keeps the tree strong, shapes growth, and boosts fruiting. Pollination. Some trees need cross-pollination. Plant 2 varieties if needed, like apples or pears. Common problems and solutions. Yellow leaves, overwatering or poor drainage. No fruits? The tree might be too young or missing pollination. Insects? Use neem oil or soap water spray instead of chemicals. Fungal issues? Improve airflow and avoid watering leaves. Show you harvesting fruits, tasting them, and using them in smoothies or salads. The joy of picking your own fruit is priceless. Every harvest tells the story of patience and care. Now you know anyone, anywhere can grow fruit trees at home. Whether you're in the U.S., Asia, Africa, or Europe, nature rewards those who care. If you enjoyed this guide, please hit like, subscribe, and comment below with your country and favorite fruit tree. I might feature your comment in my next video.